Hello everybody. I am beginning a new series of videos for beginners to learn English grammar. Here is the lesson 1, parts of speech. Let's begin. What are the parts of speech? Parts of speech include nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Let me take you through these one by one with examples. What are nouns? Nouns are words that represent people, places, things, or ideas. A few examples of nouns are dog, pencil, parrot, and happiness. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. They describe what someone or something is doing. A few examples of verbs are run, eat, sing, and dance. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns. They provide more information about a noun. A few examples of adjectives are red ball, big umbrella, happy dog. In the above examples, red, big, and happy are adjectives that describe or provide more information about the nouns ball, umbrella, and dog. What are adverbs? Adverbs are words that describe or modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They tell us how, when, where, or to what degree something happens. A few examples of adverbs are quickly, slowly, yesterday, daily, and here. Let me take you through a few activities that will help you understand the basic building blocks of English and how different words function within sentences. Activity 1. Identify the parts of speech in the following sentences. Number 1. The cat chased the small mouse. Take a few seconds before we look into the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. In the above sentence, the nouns are cat and mouse, verb is chased, adjectives are the and small. There are no adverbs in the sentence. Sentence number 2. She sings beautifully. Take a few seconds before we look into the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. In the above sentence, the noun is she. Verb is sings. Adverb is beautifully. There are no adjectives in the sentence. Let's move to activity 2. Activity 2. We'll list a few words. Categorize the following words into their respective parts of speech. 1. Book. 2. Jump. 3. Quickly. 4. Beach. 5. Tall. 6. Joy. And 7. Friendly. Take a few seconds and try answering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Here are some fill-in-the-blank sentences for practice with parts of speech. Feel free to fill in the blanks with appropriate words based on the parts of speech mentioned. This activity will help reinforce your understanding of nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs that you have learned through this video. I hope you had a great learning. If you did, then please take a moment to like and share the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more such useful videos. Happy learning! Meet you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.